Yesterday we talked about the fifth day of the creation and how God created the ocean and the fish and animals inside of it. And actually on that day God also created the birds and the sky. You know, children are given to us as gifts, and we discover what is inside as we teach and help our children to develop. My oldest daughter likes birds really much. She has 4 pet birds, parakeets, in our home, and actually one of them was born at our home and has grown after hatching from the egg. So it is a really remarkable story in itself. I think my daughter has been quite bold to attempt to raise birds at home by herself, and I admire her persistence in how she devotes herself to the study of the birds and also in drawing, creating the birds in different ways. She is actually quite into paper engineering. She likes when she can manipulate the paper and make it do something, and she is basically surrounded with these origami birds. So I thought maybe today I could propose to do an origami bird together. So here is basically the plan of our action. From here you can see the steps, and you could just follow along and make these wonderful birds. Because I have folded these two in the Mongolian version of this video, I would like to attempt something completely new, and that would be a penguin. So I have this two-sided colored paper, and I'm going to follow the steps. So the first step would be to fold it diagonally. And that is exactly what I'm going to do with my paper. Fold it diagonally, and then after folding it diagonally, the light color should be outside because it's going to be the belly of our penguin. Then the second step would be to fold, I think, 1/4 from this side. So now I'm going to fold in such a way to make a tail like this. Now we turn it this way, and it is a cute small tail over here. Next, the body is taking a beautiful shape. The fifth step would be to fold it this way and to make a head, just like that. It looks a little bit ugly because it's too much excess of the paper. This is a little bit complicated, but I'm sure you will figure it out. And then you will need to fold it twice in this area. So we want to make sure that everything is tucked inside very neatly. Now we need to do something over here, and that would be to fold along this line. You need to fold in either way, so it turns in cute little feet. And now our penguin can stand on his own. How about that? Do you like it? I quite like it. I think it's a good project you could do with your children. Have fun!